Good day and welcome to this week's Tech Tip. Today we're discussing designing assignments to accommodate various student circumstances and variations in attendance or technology, whatever their situation might be. And as you can imagine, their variables are more than they usually are given our current pandemic. Regardless of that, we have some ideas in the form of a process that can be helpful to you regardless of your chosen modality. Take it away, Rhonda.
One thing you can do is you can focus a video on the core essence of your lecture, the main issues that you are presenting content to the students. And I always recommend that you introduce that video to the students by telling them what should they be looking for. Help focus their attention on these core issues. What is it that they're going to be looking for, and what previous knowledge should they be bringing to that video? That way you've set them up to be able to focus on those core issues. Kelly, you had suggestions for the next steps.
Yes, thank you, Rhonda. To build upon that, when you are creating your videos, we're talking about the lecture portion of the teaching. So when you're going to do a video, whether it is in-person talking through it, whether you're talking over slides or doing a screencast of something, you can pre-do that. You can upload that right to your Canvas course so that way if your students are off campus or in the classroom, they can still get the core lesson piece. Another way you can do it is to turn on your record when you're doing this live, if you are taping or recording your class session. So you can turn on record, do your lessons, and then later, if you can either turn off record, or later, if you record a whole class session, you can either upload it to YouTube and just snip out those 10 minutes of the actual lesson piece, or you can put it into Canvas Studio. And if you do that, you can then do a quick recall question. This is actually step 3. To do a quick recall, either a quiz, or if you're using Canvas, you can actually put a question right in the video. It will stop and ask the question that they can answer for the recall piece. And Dan, you had the 4th step.
That's right. The final piece would be the application or transfer of that knowledge. This could be an assignment, this could be a group project, something that is typically going to be more robust, but causes the students to make use of that knowledge or skill, see how it can be put to work for them in the real world, on the job, or in other situations. Thanks for joining us for the Tech Tip. Be sure to tune in next week for more.